Hi there, and welcome to Data Wrangling 101. I am Sundar, and in this video, we are going to build a retail price optimization tool using KNIME and Python. If you work with product data, pricing, or analytics, this will show you how to automate part of your decision making using a clean visual workflow plus the flexibility of Python. This is the kind of hands-on real-world solution I teach in my training sessions and coaching programs. In retail, pricing can make or break a product. Too low, you lose margin. Too high, and you lose the customer. And when you have hundreds or thousands of SKUs, managing it manually is not just sustainable. What if you could build a tool that takes cost, competitor prices, and business logic and gives you a smart, data-driven price suggestion? That's what we are doing today. Here is the dataset we're using. It includes 100 products with cost price, current price, competitor prices, and average monthly sales. We are going to bring in this data into KNIME using a CSV reader node. This will load data from the CSV file that has the dataset that we are working with. This CSV reader is an input to the Python scripting node that performs the calculations. The Python script that we have here in the workflow uses some of the calculations that I've shown here in this annotation. We are assuming that we want to have a target margin of at least 30%. We also want to beat the price that a competitor offers by 5%. The calculations that we're going to do involves calculating an average competitor price by calculating an average of all the competitor pricing that is available to us. We also calculate what is the minimum price by margin that we want to offer to ensure that we get enough profit on each sale. So that is calculated by multiplying the cost price with the desired margin. We calculate the price by competition by multiplying the average competitor price with the competitor discount that we want to offer. Between the minimum price by margin and price by competition, whichever is higher will become the suggested price by the price optimization tool. Let's take a look at the Python script. The Python script reads the data coming from the CSV file. Here we calculate the average competitor price, which is a mean of the various competitor prices that we have available. Here we set the business rules of target margin and competitor discount. And this allows us to change the business rules by modifying these parameters. Next, we calculate the suggested price. To do that, first we calculate the minimum price by margin, which is cost price multiplied by the desired margin, and the price by competition, which is the average competitor price calculated above multiplied by the competitor discount. Next, we take the higher of these two values, price by margin and price by competition, and use that as the suggested price. After this, we also add some commentary in the output by calculating the percentage change between the current price and the suggested price. And if the percentage change is higher by 20% or lesser by 20%, we provide appropriate comments so that a reviewer can take a look at the output and decide what to do with the recommendation. Finally, we are rounding the suggested price to the nearest 99 cents. And then the last step is to output the data to KNIME back again. Let's run this script. The calculation that the Python script did can also be done using the math calculation nodes available within KNIME, but using Python here gives us clear control, scalability, and the ability to customize business logic in one place. This is also my way of showing that if your pricing optimization calculations were much more complex than these, you could use a Python script to implement those calculations and have KNIME provide you suggested prices. Next, as part of output cleanup, we will exclude some of the columns from the output, and finally we can look at the difference between the current price and the suggested price in a graphical format using a line plot node, and we can also look at the output data using a table view node and review the pricing comments. We will see that for most of the products, the pricing comment just says that the price is okay because the change between the suggested price and the current price is within our threshold of 20%, and in cases where it goes above the threshold of 20%, we have marked those products correspondingly with an appropriate pricing comment. For example, you see this product which has a negative change of 32%. The comment says the pricing could be too aggressive, check your margin. Similarly, for this product as well, the comment is saying check your pricing, it could be too aggressive. And in this case, the comment is highlighting the fact that the pricing may be too high and that before this price is implemented, it is better to review the numbers once more. This is a simple tool, but it saves hours of manual effort and helps analysts make more confident pricing decisions. If you're interested in learning how to build tools like this, check out the training and coaching programs I offer. I cover KNIME, Python, and business analytics workflows. You can start using right away. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more practical data automation content. If you have questions or feedback, drop them in the comments or send me an email at contact@datawrangling101.ca to reach out directly. I am launching a newsletter soon with tips, tools, and tutorials to help you 10x your data productivity. The link is in the description. Sign up and let's grow together. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep wrangling.